In the box, 6-pack cordless phone replacement battery. Replaces original Panasonic HHR-75AAA, B-6 NiMH rechargeable batteries for cordless phone 700 mAh. Capacity. NiMH-type battery with 1.2 voltage and 700 mAh. Top reviews from the United States. Great batteries. I love that these rechargeable batteries fit in the charger I already have. I use them for my robots at school, and they last a very long time. Works great. Good batteries. Holds charge well. Quality is very good. Purchased these batteries to replace old batteries in my Panasonic phones. They worked perfect. Recommend. Good replacement for Panasonic batteries. These Amazon brand batteries perform equally well in my phone as the Panasonic originals did.